Welcome. Today, we're walking through a quick, practical tweak that makes Gmail on your phone more convenient, enabling open web links directly from emails. If you've ever tapped a link only to be frustrated by extra steps, this simple setting change will save you time and keep you in flow. First, grab your phone and open the Gmail app. You'll notice a familiar, tidy interface where your messages live. On the top left corner, there's a menu icon that looks like three horizontal lines. Tap it to reveal the side panel with all your Gmail options. From here, scroll down a bit and select Settings. This is where Gmail keeps a lot of its customization. In Settings, you'll see an option labeled General Settings. Tap that to access the broader, app-wide preferences that affect how Gmail behaves for you. Now, you're almost there. Look for the feature called Open Web Links in Gmail. It's a toggle, and you'll want to switch it on. When this setting is enabled, any web link you tap within Gmail will open directly in your preferred browser rather than in an internal preview or a separate in-app view. This makes browsing feel more natural and lets you use your browser's features, like bookmarks, extensions, or saved passwords without juggling between apps. A quick tip, if you ever need to disable this later, you can return to General Settings and toggle Open Web Links in Gmail back to off. It's a simple flip that doesn't affect your emails, just how links open when you tap them. That's all there is.